The Baburi state is the state founded by Sahiruddin Muhammad Babur. Since the beginning of the Delhi Sultanate, internal disputes escalated, the Sultanate faced a crisis and local governors disobeyed the central government. Davlat Chand in Lahore, Ibrahim Lodi in Delhi, and Reno Sango in Mewar declared independence. Babur took advantage of this and Larry marched from Kabul to Punjab and returned with large booty. Reno Sango defeated his rival Ibrahim Lodi and thus Shim. He formed an alliance with Babur in order to conquer India. Babur went to India again and conquered the Punjab in late autumn of April. And in the battle near Panipat, see Battles of Panipat, Ibrahim defeated Lodi and captured Agra and Delhi. Babur decided not to leave India, but to stay here, like the previous conquerors, for example, Muhammad Ghaznavi, Amir Temur et. He was born in the battle near Sikri in March. He also defeated Reno Sango and the entire Shim. He subdued India. Babur, say, died in